Here we are with the creator of Fenty Beauty, Rihanna. We're gonna show you how to get the Fenty face. So to start with, we're gonna use the primer.
It's like this soft pinky nude. It's really feminine.
And it's amazing because it works on every skin tone, the foundation.
I wanted to make sure all skin tones were covered. I wanted it to look like perfect skin, not like makeup on skin.
These are really cool.
These come in 20 shades. I wanted every girl to have their color. It goes from cream to powder. Shimmer sticks. I like to look at these shimmer sticks like I look at my clothes in the closet. The Kilowatt Freestyle Highlight. Look at that.
Wow, wow.
Just like what?
Wow.
It's the Invisimatte blotting powder, the formula that works for all skin tones, completely mattifying, something that you could put on throughout the day as many times as you want.